Today I'm making my homemade Italian stuffed peppers. After cutting the peppers in half and cleaning them, bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add the peppers and parboil them for 8 to 10 minutes. Mince the garlic and set it aside. Add the olive oil to the skillet over medium heat. Add the ground beef and chop it up as it's browning, about 3 minutes. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe for upcoming videos. Add the garlic and cook for another 2 minutes till fragrant. Turn down the heat and add the salt, oregano, basil, parsley, and mix that all together. Add 1 cup of the marinara, the beef broth, and the rice cauliflower, and the Romano cheese. Mix that well and then set that aside. Add the remaining sauce and water to a roasting pan. Mix it well. Then lay the peppers out in the sauce. Sprinkle the peppers with a little of the salt. Then begin stuffing the peppers. Top the peppers with the mozzarella cheese. Then drizzle with the olive oil. Cover with parchment paper, then with the foil, then bake for 25 minutes on 375 degrees. Uncover and bake for another 15 minutes. Also, I'll leave links in the description for the products I've used in this video. Thanks for watching.